Are you tired of the honking problem in your beloved Jeep Patriot? Well, fret no more because I have the solution that will have you back on the road with peace of mind. All you need to do is replace the clock spring, and I'm here to show you exactly how. Video on my YouTube channel, I've documented the step-by-step process of replacing the clock spring in the Jeep Patriot. No need to pay a hefty mechanic bill or waste time at the dealership. With my guidance, you can tackle this repair yourself and save both time and money. The clock spring is conveniently located underneath the steering wheel, and I'll guide you through the entire process. Trust me, it's easier than you think. By following my instructions, you'll be able to fix that honking problem once and for all. But wait, there's more. Did you know that a faulty clock spring can also trigger the airbag light on your dashboard? That's right, by replacing the clock spring, you can ensure the safety features of your Jeep are fully functional again. So, what are you waiting for? Visit my YouTube channel now and watch the video titled, Replacing Clock Spring and Airbag Sensor. I've left a handy link in the video description for your convenience. Hit that subscribe button and be the first to watch all the latest updates, maintenance tips, and repair tutorials for your cars. Remember, your satisfaction and the performance of your car are my top priorities. Together, let's conquer the clock spring replacement challenge and get you back on the road, worry-free. Click the link below and let's embark on this exciting journey together.